Hello, my name is Dr. Helen Clancy, and I'm going to be your instructor for your Trends course. You should all be very proud of yourselves and the fact that you've completed the program, and this is really your last course. And this is supposed to be a fun course. I'm going to walk through the modules with you, go through the syllabus and the schedule. What you should do is when you open the courses, get out your calendar, take out the schedule, and write down the dates of when things are due. I kind of redid the course a little bit and try to take out some of the busy work and make the course very focused on what you should learn in Trends. And Trends is when you put all the knowledge and experience of getting your BS degree into a project and have some deliverables. I have to give you a lot of credit to get this far. I'm sure you're all working extra at your jobs because of COVID, and taking care of your kids because of COVID, and keeping up the school. So you're all overwhelmed, and I want to make sure that you realize I'm here to support you and get you through this course. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. I go on to my email in the morning and at night, but I'm in bed early, about 7:30. I go to bed. I'm old. Um, but I usually check my email first thing in the morning. So our job is to work well together and make sure everybody does very well in Trends.